Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. This is a park model camper back here, and these folks have this thing set up permanent here on a piece of property here in southern West Virginia, and the slide room is sinking. Slide room sets on your main part of your floor. Well, the main part of the floor in this camper, it's had some leaks. Imagine that, a camper, even if it's a park model, still leaks. The main part of the floor has drooped on each end, which has allowed the room to drop significantly. I'll take you inside here in a minute and see if I can show you just how significant the droop is. But we're going to just take and put some center blocks under each end of this thing and jack the room up and try and get it back pretty close to where it's supposed to be. There's a pretty good gap at the top of the room, so all we're really going to do is change the gap from the top to the bottom, because there's nothing we can do with the main part of the floor unless I can think of something. So yeah, let's take you inside real quick, and then I'm going to start making flat places to put center blocks. We got some stack jacks, got a hydraulic jack. We're going to jack everything up and block it up and see what we end up with. As you can see, the room has dropped quite a bit. It's worse on this end than this end, but the whole room, even the whole floor's kind of got a frowny face. So you can tell where there's been water damage and stuff over here. But so yeah, we're gonna jack this thing up and see what happens. Right there's what we were looking to achieve. Now we're going to do the other end. This was the end that didn't have to come up very far. The other end has to come up probably 5 inches, so 4 or 5 inches. So this end, like I say, it wasn't as bad, but now we're going to go to the other end. All right, I'll take you outside here in just a second and show you that end, but as you can see, it looks much better in here. No bolt seals showing up there anymore. So let me take you outside real quick. So we just dug down a little bit, put those solid blocks on the bottom, made sure they was somewhat level. Don't have to be perfect. Put our stack jacks under there, and done the same thing on this end. That first end probably only went up about maybe inch and a half, and this one wasn't quite as bad as I thought either. We ended up going like 3 inches, so it wasn't too awful bad. I did notice this stack jack's leaning a little bit. I might straighten it up. But yeah, that's gonna be on this one. So don't you get your stack jack crooked. Get down in that comment section, leave me a comment, a criticism, concern. Tell me what we should have done. I'm happy, customer's happy. Y'all might as well be happy. So we'll see you on the next one.